Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Grape. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cube into this cup. And then get the packet, open the packet, and then go here, you pour in the Gatorade Zero Sugar Grape mix into this cup, and then you'll pour in the water, and then, last but not least, open up this club soda, and you pour it into the mug. And there we go. Here is your iced carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Grape. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.